In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a recurring scheduled payment on Wise. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. First, you're going to need to log into your Wise account. If you don't have an account yet, it's very easy to set one up. Just head on over to wise.com and follow the instructions to create your account. Once you're all set up, go ahead and enter your login credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate your way to your account's main dashboard. You can find the Home option prominently featured, so click on that. This section gives you a broad view of your account, including your recent transactions and balances. Next, to set up a recurring payment, you'll need to find the Payment section. In the dashboard, it's usually at the top or on the navigation bar. When you click on Payments, you'll be presented with various options related to making payments, including a list of your recent transactions and scheduled payments. Now, this is where the magic happens. Look for the option to set up recurring payments. You should see a category called Recurring Card Payments. This feature allows you to manage all of your recurring payments in one place, making it really convenient to keep track of your ongoing expenses. Once you click on that, you'll likely see an option that says Add New Payment or something similar. This is where you will input the details of the payment that you wish to set up. You will need to designate who you're paying, how much the payment will be, and how often you want it to recur. For example, you can select daily, weekly, monthly, or customize your schedule based on your needs. After you've entered all the necessary information, double-check that everything looks good. It's crucial to confirm that the amount is correct and that the payment schedule suits your requirements. Don't forget about the start date. You'll need to specify when you want the recurring payment to begin. Make sure you set this to a date that makes sense for both you and the recipient. Once all that information is accurately filled out, you can go ahead and save your recurring payment. After saving, Wise will typically ask you to confirm the setup. This is just to ensure that you're absolutely certain about the payment details. Take a moment to review everything again at this stage, because once it's set, the payments will automatically be deducted from your balance as per the schedule you've specified. And that's pretty much it. You've now set up your recurring scheduled payment on Wise. You can always come back to this section to manage your payments, whether that means updating them, deleting, or simply reviewing your current scheduled payments. It's important to remember that you can automate a lot of your finances, and setting up recurring payments is a great way to make sure you never miss a due date. It takes a little time to get started, but once it's done, you'll have peace of mind knowing that those bills will be taken care of on their own. So if you found this guide helpful, feel free to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and happy budgeting with Wise. If you have any questions or tips you'd like to share about setting up payments or managing your finances, drop a comment below. See you in the next video.